Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum to dear students, class 8 subject history. Today my topic is Quiet India and later. Quiet India and later. Mahatma Gandhi decided to initiate a new phase of movement against the British in the middle of Second World War. Dear students, Mahatma Gandhi, who is also called the father of nation, he decided to initiate a new phase of movement. A new phase of movement इसने start की है against the British rule in the middle of Second World War. Middle of Second World War में महात्मा गांधी ने decide किया कि he will take an initiative against the British rule. The British must quit India immediately, he told them. He told them that British must quit India. अंग्रेज़ों को हिंदुस्तान छोड़ना है. Immediately he told them. To the people, he said, do or die in your effort to fight the British. To the people, he said, do or die. इस स्लोगन उसने दिया, do or die in your effort to fight against the British. But you must fight non-violently. You must fight non-violently. Gandhiji and other leaders were jailed at once. Dear student, after that moment, Gandhiji and other leaders, they were jailed at once. But the moment separated. But the moment which he had started, it separated quickly. It specially attracted peasants. The moment attracted peasants, youth, who gave their support to it and who gave up their studies to join it. All them join it. Communications and symbols of state authority were attacked all over the country. Communication, symbols of state, they were attacked throughout the country. In many areas, the people set up their own government. People set up their own government. The first response of British through repression. First of all, British response to repression. By the end of 1943, over 90,000 people were arrested. End of 1943 के end में 90,000 people were arrested by Britishers and 1,000 killed in police firing and thousands of people killed by the police firing. In many areas, orders were given to machine gun crowds for airplanes. Many areas, the British government orders to use machine gun to crowders for airplanes. From airplanes. The rebellion, however, ultimately brought the Raj to its knees. Towards independence and partition, meanwhile, 1940, the Muslim League had moved a resolution demanding independent states. Meanwhile, in 1940s में ये Muslim League जो था, it demanded independent states for Muslims in northwestern and eastern areas of the country. Muslim League, the resolution demand independent states for Muslims in northwestern and eastern areas of the country. The resolution did not mention partition or Pakistan. The resolution which it started, it did not mention partition and separation of Pakistan. Why did the League ask for autonomous arrangements for the Muslim subcontinent? Then why it asks for autonomous arrangement for Muslims of subcontinent India? The League began from the late 1930s. It begins in late 1930s, viewing the Muslims as separate nations from the Hindus. Muslims, they were separate nation from the Hindus. In developing this nation, it may have been influenced the history of tension between some, but it developed a tension, a confusion between Muslims and Hindus in 1920s and 1930s. More importantly, the provincial elections of 1930 seems to have convinced League Muslims were in minority. But you know that Muslims were in minority and they would have always to be second file in democratic structure. The failure of the Congress to mobilize the Muslim masses in 1930 allowed the League to widen its support. ये जो फेलियर था कांग्रेस का, it allowed the Muslims to widen its support. At the end of the war, दूसरी जंग ख़त्म होने के एंड में 1945 में the British opened negotiations between Congress. It opened negotiations between the Congress, the League and themselves for independence of India. The students, they talked failure between the League saw itself as sole spokesman of Indian Muslims. The Congress could not accept the claim since a large number of Muslims still supported it. In 1946, elections to the provinces were again held. The Congress did well in general constituencies, but the League's success in states reserved for Muslims were spectacular. 1946, the elections were held in general constituencies, but the League's success in the seats reserved for Muslims was spectacular. It persists with the demand for Pakistan. The League persists its demand for Pakistan. In March 1946, the British cabinet sent a 3-member mission to Delhi to examine this demand and suggest a suitable political framework for free India. Okay, dear.